guys, and aloha. We are at Disney's Aulani Resort and Spa in Ko'olina. We are currently in a one-bedroom ocean view. We wanted to give you a tour of it. This room is room 1570. I have to look at it. We just got here after a nice swim. So let me give you a tour of the place. It is very spacious. I think probably a good 1,000 square feet, I think, or just under. When you come into the room, you enter the kitchen area with a standard American refrigerator, as we like to say, in our family. Many features that you can have: water cooker, toaster, you know, all the things you would need for some basic cooking in here. And you can look at the list online on the website. They list everything you have. Wine glasses here. They have the amenities list when you do arrive, so if you have any additional things you'd like or extra cleaning, it's all listed here, and they do tell you when you check in, which is nice. Yeah, utensils and some cooking things are in here. Good stove and oven, microwave. Let's see if I find any other. Oh, here's some glasses, your standard glasses. Some more cups. And because we're kind of in a unique location in Hawaii between, say, Asia and America, we got some nice rice cooker, which I think is really a nice touch here, well, especially because they have a lot of Japanese guests here. And the amenities list is listed here for all the guests, as well as in Japanese. Dishwasher is a standard. Some more cups and plates and bowls. And this is actually nice. They have everything you need for cleaning in your kitchen. So Palmolive dish soap, and anything for the dishwasher. It's fairly spacious, I think. Oh, and you have your coffee, of course. You gotta have your Twinings and your Joffreys while you're on vacation. And right next to it, it's I think some DVC locations, usually it's that direction, but we have the washer and dryer right here, which I think is not too bad. We have the table next here for the dining, so it's pretty good. And your standard detergent that they have at all the resorts. So after that, you have this nice little counter that leads you to the dining room. It's, I think, a really beautiful color. And there's even some hidden Mickeys right here on the back, the seating area. And underneath you have 2 additional little chairs, which is nice because you can also use it in the living room over here. Like so. See some outlets too. I've seen quite a lot of outlets and also behind you as well. So this dining room leads you to the living room. And because this is a 1-bedroom, they have some really nice features like the pull down single bed here. And I've already showed off the, yeah, I had to pull this down for it to stand, but you have this bed here. And your DVD player if you want to go rent some things at the community center hall as well. And some more outlets and digital inputs for your TV. And then on this side here, we also have a pull-out bed. It looks really large. I would almost want to say it's like a king-queen size. I won't pull it out, but it's nice and it's really easy. Just pull it up and out. And then underneath here, which is nice, you have your extra pillows, blankets, anything else you would need for your guests that are going to stay in here. And just to point out, we have this beautiful patio here, and we also have one in the next room that we will show you in just a little bit. And before you head into the the main bedroom, I'll show you this. It's actually really large. You have your safe in here, a child's little seat if you have a kid, lots of hangers, and a laundry basket, as well as a broom and anything else you may need. Now onto the beautiful bedroom. I'm assuming this is a king bed because this thing looks huge. Or maybe a California king, I don't know. But this is the 1-bedroom suite. This is like the same as the studio room. You have some drawers in here, which I think is not, well, these actually look a little bit deeper than the studio. They don't have a whole lot of actual like drawer storage. That's all right. We have this beautiful little Mickey. The flower that you can take home with you. It's really cute. This room is just really nice and relaxing. Some, you know, things that maybe examples of the local culture and the Hawaiian view. It's really beautiful. And very spacious, I have to say. I'm really impressed by the space here. Your standard desk, which is nice, and a little nod to Mickey. It's not overly Mickey in the studios, which is nice, but just a little nod here and there is great. Outlets there, and I think there are some outlets behind all the side desks here as well. Another balcony, I said patio, but balcony. Another balcony right here. Just to point out, we have this really nice little fan just to keep the little breeze going, you know, like that Hawaiian breeze. So if you do open your patio, the air conditioning will turn off, and then you can just enjoy the natural Hawaiian air. Now we go from the bedroom into the, I'm gonna call it a master bathroom. It is huge. It's 2 sections, and the first place we have is the jetted bathtub, where you can also get some privacy, or you can just enjoy the view outside. And then next here we have these beautiful plush Aulani robes, and we have another one in here as well. Super nice. More space for your luggage, and extra blankets up here as well, because I think the other room only has 1 set, so you get 2 more here. Your ironing board, so it's good size. And then with the jetted bathtub, we have 2 sinks, 2 full vanities here, which is nice. And they're basically carbon copies, you'll see in a second. But you have your vanity. Nothing is in here except a blow dryer, hair dryer, and your mirror, and some soap. And then into this one, we have the beautiful rain shower. It's very nice and huge as well. And you get your Aulani Hawaii sea salt shampoo. There's the conditioner and the body wash in here. And I'll show you a few more that they have as well in here. And we are DVC, so they're not going to replenish our supplies while we're here for our stay, but they do give you at least extras of each. Your bath soaps, and then also the body lotion as well. So nothing too fancy, just simple, really pretty little products. And I even like these lamps. It feels very like the sails of the catamarans or something. It's really nice. Simple touches. And then this door leads you back to the main entrance. This is beautiful. I'm wondering if this is the Iwa thing, the feminine part of the tower. I don't know. I should look that up as well. But this is the 1 bedroom. And let me go and show you the beautiful view that we have here right now. I will warn you, we're here at the reconstruction of the water area, play area. So there's lots of loud noises as we go out, but normally it's quiet after about 4 or 5. Oh, and let me point out this hidden Mickey right here. How cute is that? See, little Disney touches without being all Disney everything. All right, and now for the finale and loud noise. We have our construction area. Unfortunately, sound travels up, but still a beautiful view. And in the evening, when the sunset is here, there's no noise. But you can see the main entrance, as well as the floating river kids area that they're currently working on, and the lagoon where you can go snorkeling. And then we have this beautiful pool as well as the beach area that you can see everything here. And to enjoy the outdoors, we have 2 chairs and so there you go. And let's just take a look at this beautiful view here. We have the mountains as well, which are just as beautiful as the ocean in front of us.